to happen.
Hey, thanks for the flight.
Sure, you bet.
Oh, sorry.
This flight attendant took customer satisfaction to another level.
To release simply lift the upper portion of the buckle. Turbulence may occur with no warnings. We recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times, even when the seatbelt sign is off. In the event of emergency.
And you hear this.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. If you look to the right side of your aircraft, you will notice Flight 198 challenging us to a race. I've turned the fasten seatbelt sign back on because shit is about.
Ever.
No slide. Sorry.
For emergencies, everybody's about to die. That's when the slide.